Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another motivational cleaning video for you guys. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and I make cleaning videos here on my channel, and if you enjoy these types of videos, definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you here.
It's like 3 a.m., you're still on my mind. Let's not waste no time, just tell me how you're feeling. You still have my heart, although...
As you can see, I started in my laundry room by storing a load of laundry. I also have to clean the mess that my cat did this morning because, as you can see, he really likes to destroy my plants.
I do it for the thrill. Yeah, you still give me chills. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise, just stop your range away. Let's continue what we do and build the trust again. You can tell me what to do. Feels like I am dreaming, letting go of these demons. I just wanna know what's on your mind. There's not enough reason, it's not like I need them. I just wanna know what's on your...
If you're following me for a while, you know that I usually start cleaning in the kitchen and then move to the rest of the house, but today I thought that I will leave that for the end of the video. So here I am in our living room picking up all the things that doesn't belong on the coffee table.
I feel like loving you is like committing a crime. How can you make me come and act just at the same time and let you take the crown? You made me nervous and I pretend that I'm just fine. I don't know why you gotta keep messing with my mind. Let me open up my heart and let you inside. My heart is jumping around. Yeah, I feel like I can tell you anything. No white lies, compromise, just stop your...
Now I will pick up dry clothes outside and then fold them. Folding the clothes is not something that I really enjoy, especially if I have a lot of socks like I do today. Tell me in the comments down below what is your least favorite chore. Mine would definitely be laundry and dishes.
There's not enough reason, it's not like I need them. I just wanna know what's on your mind. What's on your mind? 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 What's on your mind?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
And here is another mess that my cat is responsible for. I will throw that away, then sweep and mop the floor.
You can make me
Now moving into the kitchen, I will start by putting away clean dishes and start washing the dirty ones. I had so much dishes to do today because I didn't feel like doing them yesterday evening, and now I really regret that.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave.
Now I will scrub the sink. That is probably my favorite thing to clean in the kitchen. I just love a clean, shiny sink.
For me, I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open. chase me blind, you always will lead me through. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotions. Put it all out in the open.
Don't tell me it's time to go. It's for
Wanted to broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is. Still know you'll meet me at home. Lead me at home. Still know you'll meet me at home. Lead me at home. Still know you'll meet me at home.
I can't live without you.
And that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys for sticking around till the end with me. I really appreciate all of you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and say hello in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!